How to mute Instagram chats and messages. Muting chats on Instagram allows you to stop receiving notifications for messages without blocking or unfollowing the user. This can be useful if you want to reduce distractions or if you are part of group chat that's particularly active. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute Instagram chats and messages in a simple way. Without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Tap on the chat icon at the top right corner to access your chat page. Here you need to choose any person whom chats and messages you want to mute on Instagram. Simply tap and hold the chat. Now select Mute Messages. Now you have to select the duration for which time you want to mute those chats and messages from this particular user on Instagram. For now, let's select until I change it. And next to the Instagram username, you can see the mute notifications icon. So that's it. That's how we easily mute Instagram chats and messages. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.